Hi, friends. I'm Leo, and welcome to the Leo English podcast, where learning English feels easy, natural, and fun. What makes your English sound natural? Is it grammar? Is it vocabulary? Or is it how you use real everyday phrases just like native speakers do? Today, we'll explore real English phrases that people use every day, in coffee shops, at work, and when making plans with friends. No textbooks, just real-life English you can use right now. So grab your coffee, get comfy, and let's get started. Let's begin at the coffee shop because, honestly, that's where good conversations always happen. You walk in, it smells amazing. Fresh coffee, warm muffins, a quiet, cozy space. You see your friend at the table. You smile and wave. It's been weeks since you last met. You sit down and say, "Wow, this place is nice." Your friend laughs and says, "Yeah, I thought you'd like it. Not too crowded, not too loud." You order your coffee and your favorite pastry. The barista smiles. "Anything else?" You say, "That's all, thank you." You both sit down and start chatting. You talk about work, deadlines, and busy days. You both sigh and laugh. "Work has been crazy," your friend says. You nod. "Tell me about it." Then you both agree on one thing. You need a break. Maybe a weekend trip, somewhere calm. No laptops, no emails, just sleep, sunshine, and good coffee. Then your drinks arrive. You take the first sip. Ah, perfect. You smile and say, "This is heaven." Your friend laughs. "See, I told you this place was a hidden gem." You talk about new things in life. Dance classes, books, movies, plans. You promise to meet more often. Not next month, not someday, but soon. And as you finish your coffee, you think, sometimes happiness really is this simple. A warm drink, a good chat, and no rush. Now, let's move on to making weekend plans. It's Friday. You feel tired. It's been a long week. So you text your friend, "Hey, wanna do something this weekend?" They reply, "Yes, please, I need to get out of the house." You laugh. You both check your calendars. Saturday afternoon looks perfect. You suggest, "How about that new park downtown? I heard it has food trucks and live music." Your friend replies, "That sounds fun. I'm down." That means, "I want to do that." You start planning. You'll meet at 3 p.m., walk around, grab some food, and relax. Another friend joins in. Now it's 3 of you. Perfect. Sunshine, music, and good company. You imagine it already. Tacos, bubble tea, maybe a donut or two. You laugh because you always pick dessert first. Life's too short to skip dessert, right? You decide to bring a small speaker for music and a blanket to sit on. Maybe some cards or Uno. Just chill vibes. No big plans, no stress. Just friends, food, and laughter. You say, "We should do this every month." Your friend smiles. Agreed. No meetings, no deadlines, just fun. And you think, this is what weekends are made for. Now, let's step into office life. the land of coffee, emails, and endless meetings. It's Monday morning. You walk into the office, still half asleep. Your coworker looks at you and says, "Morning, you survived the 9 a.m. meeting?" You laugh, "Barely." You both grab more coffee, the magic drink that keeps everyone alive. You start chatting. "How's your week looking?" Your coworker sighs, "2 reports, 1 deadline, and 0 motivation." You both laugh again. Same story, different desk. Then someone mentions that word you hear too often. Synergy. You roll your eyes and whisper, "If I hear that one more time, I might scream." But you smile, because humor makes the workday lighter. You talk about your projects, about that coworker who sends emails with 12 attachments, about how your connection suddenly gets bad when afternoon meetings start. You both laugh because it's true. We've all done that. But then something deeper happens. Your coworker says, "Honestly, I've been thinking of changing teams." You nod. "Me too. I just want something new." You both pause. You realize you're not alone. Everyone feels stuck sometimes, and that's okay. You take a deep breath and say, "One step at a time, let's just survive this week first." They laugh. Deal. You clink your coffee cups together, a small moment of teamwork, a small bit of hope. When the day ends, you pack up your things, stretch your back, and think, "I made it." You walk out of the office, feeling the cool evening air. It feels good. You smile. Maybe today wasn't perfect, but it was real. You learned something, you laughed, you survived. And tomorrow, you'll do it again. So, my friends, today we learned a few real-life English phrases. Want to grab a coffee? A friendly invitation? Sounds good to me. A casual way to agree. I'm down means I'm in or I want to join. Let me check my schedule. A polite way to say, I'll see if I'm free. Catch up means to talk and reconnect with someone. These are the words people actually use, not in grammar books, but in real life. So listen to them, practice them, use them. They'll make your English sound natural and confident. Thank you for listening today. I hope you smiled, learned something new, and felt a little closer to real English. I'm Leo, and this was Leo English Podcast, where we make English simple, real, and fun. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep speaking English every day. See you next time.